there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy poppy hair tie. And for this tutorial, I am using black and red double knit yarn, a smaller hook than usual, a 3mm crochet hook, and you will also need scissors and a needle and a hair tie. Of course, you can use this pattern to crochet headbands if you like, or hair clips. I just chose to turn it into a hair tie. So let's get started. Start with a black yarn and make a magic ring. And in that magic ring, we will crochet 6 single crochet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now pull the magic ring tail to close the hole shut, and this is your first round. And now on the second round we will increase in every single stitch. And if you're not familiar with what amigurumi increase is, it's very simple. It's 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So let's make 2 single crochet in each of the 6 stitches. So we have 1 increase, the second increase, our third one, fourth one, fifth one, and the 6th one, the last one. And now your stitch count is 12 stitches, and this is how your second round should look like. Now we need to close this round by slip stitching in the first single crochet you made. We're going to cut the yarn and bring in the red one, and we will start creating the first petal. So pull the yarn through the loop and pull the tail close, the loop close, and we will start from this point by chaining 3. This counts as a double crochet, and in the same stitch we are going to make another double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So 2 double crochet in each. So we have 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now again 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And one more time 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And this is a rough one of the first petal. Now turn around and chain 3. Then we will make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. And now make 2 double crochet in the next stitch again. And we will continue like that until we reach our last stitch. So make 2 double crochet in next, and in the next, and again 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and we have 2 stitches left. Let's make again 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and in the last stitch we only make 1 double crochet. And this is the second row of the first petal. Now turn and chain 3, and now you're going to slip stitch in the next stitch. Then again chain 3 and slip stitch in the next stitch. And repeat this until you reach the end of the row. So again, chain 3, slip stitch in next. So now we are going to slip stitch in the very last stitch, and our third row is complete. This is how it looks like. What we're going to do now is slip stitch down the side of the petal so we can start the second one, and just slip stitch in every single stitch down. That should be maybe 5 slip stitches. So we have 2, 3, 4, and then we are slip stitching right in the base where we crocheted into the black circle. Just slip stitch in there, and our first petal is complete, and all we have to do is repeat this pattern 2 more times around. So let's make another petal, slip stitch in the next stitch, and then chain 3 and make a double crochet in the same stitch. Now make 2 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. That is 2 double crochet in the next, then 2 double crochet in the next again, and one more time 2 double crochet in the next. And this is first row of the second petal. Turn and chain 3. Now make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. That is one, and this is the second one. Now make 2 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. So 2 double crochet in each until you have 1 stitch left. One more stitch, and now in the last stitch make 1 double crochet, and this is the second row of the second petal. Turn and chain 3, and then slip stitch in the next stitch, and we are going to repeat these 2 steps until the end. So chain 3, and again slip stitch in the next, chain 3, slip stitch in the next. So now we are at the end. I'm about to slip stitch in the last stitch, and we are done with row number 3 of the second petal, and this is how it looks like. And now we are just going to slip stitch down the petal so we can create our third one, and this is identical to the other petals. I'll just speed up the video. You can slow down if you like to watch it again, but it's basically the same pattern. So let's slip stitch down the petal. We're gonna do 5, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th one is right in a base right there. And now to begin our last petal, slip stitch in the next. The third petal is complete. Now all we have to do is close this gap right here, otherwise it won't look very good. And the way I do it is just slip stitch in that stitch right there, and then cut the yarn and yarn over and pull through. And this is how the finished poppy looks like. Just weave in the ends and then sew it to a hair tie or on a headband or a hair clip. It's all up to you. I tied mine to a hair tie like that. And this is how you crochet an easy poppy hair tie. I hope you found my tutorial easy to follow. If you have any questions regarding this pattern, please ask it in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer. Happy crocheting!